Hi, welcome to Teach, Train, Tell. In this module, we are going to be making stickers for the luminaries that we're going to put together. I did one module on how to do it in Cricut Design Space, but in this module, I'm going to show you how to do it in PowerPoint just in case you don't have it, Cricut Design Space. So as you can see, I've already taken a couple of pictures off the internet, so let me go over here and grab so I want something that says "Let your light shine." I'm going to click on images. So we have multiple things here we can use if you decide that, hey, I like the way some of this looks. That's actually where I found the little lantern here, clip art, and I saved it. So what I want to do is make some transparent stickers for the children to use on their cups. So we'll just go ahead and use "Let Your Light Shine." I'm going to copy this, so right-click, copy image. Get this out of here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste it. And paste it as a picture. Here, my PowerPoint. Now, the reason I'm putting these in PowerPoint is I want to print these stickers off. I have a Cricut, so I will probably cut them out with a Cricut. But if you don't have one, you can still create these stickers. And when you check out the second video that actually shows you how to put this stuff all together, you can print these stickers out. I got some transparent sticker paper, which will be covered in the other video. And print them out, and you can cut these out with a pair of scissors. Since they're transparent, everything will be able to shine through. But just to show you how to get rid of the background, because this has a white background and I don't want that. I want it to shine through. I want it to not have a white background. I am going to go up here to picture format, remove background. Now, and this is using Microsoft Office 365. It has AI in it. Some of the older versions do as well. And it shouldn't be too hard to remove the background. And you see here where it has all these little checkered squares. This means that the background has been removed. So when I print this out, it'll have these little lines here, the light shining, and that's what I want. And then you could just cut these squares out. You just cut it out as a square once you print them out. Just like I said, it's transparent paper, sticker paper. And there you go. It's basically what I did with all of these. With the star, let's see. I don't know if this one, remove the background. So 365, it works a little quicker. Now you can see the background has all been removed except right here. If I really wanted to remove this background, I could select and put remove. And I could select that I want this removed. Save. And there you go. You can see now that little orange puddle has now been removed. So just go ahead. This is really a fun thing to do with your children, grandkids, anyone, kids that you know and are close to, because then they can give you a little bit of feedback. They could even help you pick out the stickers they would actually like to have on their cup. You can even put their picture in here and do the same thing. Do a picture of them, put it in here, remove the background, print it out, and they could actually have their face or their pet's face on their cup or their luminary. So hopefully you join me over here at the table in a little bit to be able to see what the stickers look like and how the project all comes together. If you like this segment, please, and you found it helpful, please click subscribe and like, and I look forward to seeing you very soon.